In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a conversation in Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward and allows you to keep your chat list organized by removing conversations you no longer need to see. While it doesn't permanently erase the chat for everyone involved, it effectively clears it from your personal view, helping you manage your digital workspace more efficiently. Let's walk through it step by step to ensure you can confidently remove those unnecessary conversations. First, your initial action is to navigate to the Chats section within Microsoft Teams. You'll typically find this located on the left-hand side of your Teams application window, often represented by a chat bubble icon. The Chats section is your central hub for all direct messages and group conversations, displaying a chronological list of all your interactions. Clicking on this icon will bring up a full list of your one-on-one and group chats, allowing you to easily browse through your past communications. It's important to make sure you are in this specific section to proceed with managing your conversations effectively. Once you are in the Chats section, your next task is to carefully select the specific conversation you wish to delete from your view. Scroll through your list of chats until you locate the one you intend to remove. To select it, simply click on the conversation name in the list. This action will open the chat window, displaying the full history of messages within that particular conversation. Take a moment here to double-check that you've indeed opened the correct chat. This is a crucial verification step to prevent accidentally removing the wrong conversation history from your personal list. Confirming your selection now will ensure a smooth process going forward. After you've identified and selected the conversation, you'll need to locate the three-dotted line menu, often referred to as the ellipsis or More Options menu. This icon typically appears in a couple of places. For deleting a chat from your list, you'll usually find it right next to the conversation's name in the chat list itself, or sometimes at the top of the chat window if you have the conversation open. These three dots are universally recognized as a symbol indicating that additional actions or settings are available for that specific item. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu containing various options related to the conversation you have selected, preparing you for the next step in the deletion process. With the More Options menu now open, you will see a list of actions available for your chosen conversation. Among these options, you need to click on Remove Chat History. This is the command that initiates the process of clearing the conversation from your personal chat list. It's important to understand what Remove Chat History truly means in Teams. When you select this, you are effectively hiding the conversation from your view. The key distinction here is that this action does not delete the conversation for other participants if it's a group chat, nor does it delete the messages from Teams servers. It simply removes it from your personal interface, helping you declutter your chat list. Upon clicking Remove Chat History, Teams will usually present you with a confirmation prompt. This is a safety measure to ensure you genuinely intend to remove the chat from your view. The prompt might ask something like, "Are you sure you want to remove this chat history?" or a similar confirmation message. This is your final opportunity to review your decision. If you are certain you want to proceed, simply click Confirm or Yes on this prompt. If you've clicked it by mistake or changed your mind, you can typically click Cancel to abort the action. Once you confirm, the conversation will disappear from your chat list, no longer cluttering your active chats. And just like that, the conversation you selected will be successfully removed from your personal Microsoft Teams chat list. You'll notice it no longer appears when you navigate back to the Chats section. Remember, while this action clears the conversation from your view, it typically remains accessible to other participants in a group chat, and the messages themselves are still stored by Teams, depending on your organization's data retention policies. This means that if you're ever added back into that specific chat, or if someone else initiates a new message within it, the conversation might reappear in your list. This feature is primarily designed for personal organization and managing your immediate Teams interface. So there you have it, a clear step-by-step guide to removing a conversation from your view in Microsoft Teams. By following these instructions, you can maintain a tidy and focused chat environment, ensuring that only the most relevant conversations appear in your daily workspace. This simple process allows for greater control over your personal Teams experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you keep your Microsoft Teams organized.